Hi guys, let us discuss this question which was present in NEET 2020. The question is paper chromatography is an example of adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, option 3 thin layer chromatography, option 4 column chromatography. So this is the question from purification and characterizations of compounds chapter mentioned in the NEET syllabus. Let's discuss one by one. So first one is the adsorption chromatography. Based on the differential affinity of adsorption of mixture on solid absorbent, that is called stationary phase, as they carried by solvent, that is mobile phase. So types: column chromatography and thin layer chromatography. That means the absorption chromatography are two types: column chromatography and thin layer chromatography. Other is the partition chromatography. So here we can see column, that equipment, and here this is the thin layer chromatogram, that generally thin layer are put into this mobile under mobile phase, and the solvent as a mobile phase moves upward, and the product absorbed on the solid surface, that because of their polarity that moves. Other is the partition chromatography, that partitioning the component between liquid stationary phase, water molecules bound to the cellulose fibers, that is the in the liquid stationary phase, and the liquid moving phase, that solvents or mixture of solvent that move. So in the partition chromatography, one is the stationary phase, that is in liquid type of nature, and this is generally liquid bound to the cellulose fiber. So as that cellulose fiber are at the stationary phase here, so in these cases this is the paper chromatography, is the partition chromatography. So here correct option is the option 2. Paper chromatography is an example of partition chromatography. So thank you guys.